What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. Today we're going to be doing the first run on my Axial SMT10 Grave Digger. This is the updated version for 2020. It's got the all-metal gear transmission, and I believe it's a 12-turn motor with all new electronics and a Dynamite ESC. We're going to be running it on a Power Hobby 2S 5200 mAh LiPo battery pack. This video is long overdue. It's been a shelf queen for quite a while now, but we're going to go ahead and get it done today. Let's go ahead and do it. Oh! Little two-wheel action. It's definitely a little slower than that huddle. Got a little tire rub there. Oh! Really active. Oh. Alright you guys, we had some fun out there. Even though this truck isn't that fast, for having a brushed motor, it actually moves pretty good. At first, when I took it out, it seemed a little extra slow. And I thought it was my battery, because the battery that I have in it is a couple years old, so I figured it was just getting kind of weak. Then I just so happened to look at the controller. Go ahead and see if I could show you guys here. And the controller has a little switch right here where it has 50, 75, and 100. Once I noticed that, we went ahead and put it on 100, and the truck was noticeably faster. And I have to say, for a stock monster truck out of the box, it actually moves fairly good. It had enough speed and enough torque to go ahead and hit some jumps and have some pretty decent fun with. Now, not all the time you need a truck that goes 50, 60 miles an hour. Sometimes it's kind of fun to slow it down, run in a smaller area, and have a little bit of monster truck fun. Now, we did have a little carnage. We broke the rear lower trailing arm. I'm pretty sure you could see it kind of hanging in the back there, or you see the drive shaft. We'll go ahead and show you guys here. We broke the rear control arm or trailing arm, whatever you want to call it, the lower one there. You can kind of see where we snapped it. I kind of figured we were either going to break the drive shaft or the control arm, because that control arm is plastic and it seems kind of weak. We didn't really hit it that hard. We just kind of came down wrong and it snapped it out. We didn't break the drive shaft. We just pulled the splines out so that'll slide back in. But other than that, the truck was great. The servo was real responsive. I do have 2 complaints about the truck. The front tires do rub the lower control arms when you're at full steer, and it's just kind of annoying, but it's not really too much of an issue. My main complaint is the battery. Where they put the connector in the battery tray, it's actually kind of difficult to connect and disconnect the battery. So when you're out playing around and want to do a quick battery change, it's kind of frustrating when you're there sitting there messing with the connector, trying to get it connected and disconnected. But that should be an easy fix. I might relocate the ESC to get the connector a little closer to the back of the battery tray. We'll just kind of mess with it from there. It shouldn't be too difficult to go ahead and figure out. But we got a lot more to come with this truck. I'm a huge Grave Digger fan. We'll get a nice little course set up and have some more monster truck fun. I hope you guys liked the video, and as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.